Are you also about to enter in the world of entrance exams or getting a problem in doing preparation? Feeling confused about what to study, where to study from, or how to study in a precise manner? Worried about which college or course would be best for you from so many? If yes, then don't worry. You have just found the right place. Hi everyone, I am Kanishka Ahuja and this is my first ever YouTube video. It took a lot for me to get over my overthinking, self-doubt and if I would actually be able to make videos or deliver content. But after right planning, motivation, and encouragement from my elder brother, I have now finally made the right decision to hit that record button. In this video, I am going to introduce myself. So, my name is Kanishka Ahuja and I have just passed my class 12th in this 2025 batch. Yes, I am fresh out of school and honestly I am already missing those school days and all the fun and the madness with my friends. One more thing is that I'll be speaking a mix of Hindi and English here ताकि सबको easily समझ आ सके. This channel is for every student who needs a friend come guide to give all the correct information about the entrance exam, college life, and a little motivation too. Okay, now let's go ahead. My whole half cycle of 2025 was full of exams, preparations, and studies. I have never felt so stressed, focused, excited, and tired all at once. It was a complete roller coaster of emotions. The phase was full of ups and downs. Firstly came pre-boards, then 12th के board exams और boards के एकदम बाद ही I directly jumped into the world of entrance exam to grab the best college I possibly could. Being from the commerce stream, I gave almost every major entrance exam. That is CUET, IPU set, IPMET Indore, IPMET Rohtak, JIPMET, and also Jamia's entrance exam. And when I finally came out of that crazy exam zone, oof, what a relief. No more Google searches for every topic. No more asking ChatGPT questions day and night. No more admit cards, roll numbers, and traveling very far for exam centers. All this stress gone. But guess what? It wasn't the end. It was actually the start of new stress about which college I would finally get in. As of now, most results are out. Unfortunately, I did not get any IMs, but it's okay. Faith and belief अभी भी strong है. मैंने हार नहीं मानी है. The current situation is अभी मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ कि इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के कॉलेज में क्योंकि दोनों की काउंसलिंग ऑन गोइंग है and I live in the NCR region, so it was also my preference to get my college near Delhi. मैंने कॉलेज प्रीफ्रेंस लिस्ट भी फिल कर दी है एंड नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर फर्दर राउंड्स कि दोनों यूनिवर्सिटीज में से कौन सा टॉप कॉलेज मिलता है देन आई विल मेक द फाइनल चॉइस सो स्टे ट्यून्ड आई विल अपडेट यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियोस about my colleges courses and my journey बहुत हो गया रिजल्ट्स के बारे में नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड Honestly, जब मेरे पेपर्स चल रहे थे I had lot of confusions and doubts. 100 of tabs खुले रहते थे स्क्रीन पर which paper to give, what's the syllabus, कोचिंग या सेल्फ स्टडी, टाइम मैनेज कैसे करूं और सबसे बड़ा फियर अगर नहीं हुआ तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. There were a lot of questions in my mind. If you are in the same condition, then don't worry. I am here for you. जो प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने फेस करी हैं I'll make sure that you don't go through them alone. I have survived it all and now I am here to share, support and grow together. I learned a lot and that's why I am here to share my real experience. And don't worry, this channel will be chill, fun and 100% real. Just one student helping other students. Time to time, I'll be doing everything I can to make the best and most helpful content and also vlog my college journey. It will also be for my self improvement and development to make my communication skills better. I have just started from very basic. जैसे कि आप देख ही सकते हैं पीछे I have made some posters जो मेरे को आते भी नहीं थे पर I have tried it for my channel. ऐसे ही when I'll shift to my PG or hostel, I'll try to upgrade everything by myself in background. I'll buy a basic mic for better voice quality and tripod also. Now I have something to say for me also because I am also doing it for the first time and I am also still learning everything as I go ahead in my journey. But I have taken my first step now, so no matter how my journey goes, I'll try to do my maximum and be very consistent with my work, irrespective of the results, outcomes of my videos. And in this way, I'll surely reach to the stage which I have manifested in my mind. I'll put all the required efforts and actually learn all the things to execute everything on my own. I'm saying this on record. I'll make my own identity, my own audience with my good deeds and hard work. I'll make my parents proud and also be financially independent to support my family. Hush. That's it for the video. If you are watching this, then please do drop your praises, suggestions, and even mistakes, but respectfully. I'll take every feedback as a lesson and improve myself. तो अब आप जल्दी से लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और मुझे भी खुश कर दीजिए. I will see you super soon in the next video. Stay happy, motivated, and blessed. Bye bye.